So Faye, what is it that you feel that you want from the LIA therapy treatment today?
Well, I'd like to feel that my skin feels a bit cleansed, a bit newer, just a renewed look on my face. Really, I'm feeling a bit tired, so.
Well, this is a fantastic treatment and it changes the way the face structure looks. So it does a lot of different things, but I'll talk to you more about that treatment.
Brilliant.
So I'm going to cleanse your skin now. This is a hormone balancing cleanser and it's got a vitamin A which is actually resurfaces the skin. And I'm going to avoid your lashes because they are lovely and they do look super. But it's best not to mess with them too much so they'll last just that little bit longer. This treatment changes the way the structure of the skin works and the actual bones underneath. It slightly relaxes the tissues so there's no stretch on the bone. And this product takes off any fine lines. It's Skin Polish Exfoliator and it actually will resurface any area of the skin.
So will this work like as say an alternative to say a treatment such as Botox or?
How this product works, it does work alongside it, but it actually takes little fine lines and the skin debris off.
Yeah.
So Botox doesn't, it just chills out the skin. So in a way, it's a better product than that.
Yeah.
But at the end of this, I'm going to put a fantastic product on called Bee Venom. And Bee Venom actually mimics Botox,
Right.
but it will do it all over your skin. And this is Cleanse and Tone Wash. Now the Cleanse and Tone facial wash has got mandarin in, and mandarin actually releases collagen in your tissues, so it gives you that firm look. You have got very good skin, but you will see an improvement. I'm dying to ask you before I carry on though, I mean, what about your stage work that you did before X Factor?
Yeah, I've been doing it forever. I can't remember a time when I couldn't sing or
So you
dance.
weren't frightened when you were that age?
No, not
that?
at all. No,
Oh.
I couldn't. I was excited and everything. So.
Well, I go to London obviously, and that's how I met Danny Minogue and did treatments obviously on her.
She looks so beautiful when I met her on X Factor. People noticed this year, didn't they, the difference on X Factor when she stopped using Botox.
You see, Botox has a detrimental effect on the way people perceive you.
Yeah.
Because your facial expressions do not match
Yeah.
what you're actually thinking. And I think Danny's been voted the best judge, was she, this year?
Yeah, I mean she was
exciting.
Really lovely to me actually, and the comments were superb that she gave me while when I was there. She was really lovely. She's like a doll, isn't she? She's really, I think she's stunning.
Well, your skin's beautiful, and it's very similar to when I treated Danny. I was looking and I was thinking, there's got to be an open pore somewhere on here. And your skin just looks really fab.
I do try and do little things, I do drink loads and loads of water, like a cup of green tea. I don't eat too much fat and things like that, and I moisturise constantly.
This oil that I'm going to use is, it's rose, a neroli. And the neroli actually brings the cells up to the surface, but it's in a jojoba, and the jojoba is a wax, and it's like actually massaging a cream onto your skin. But while I'm doing this now, I'd love to chat to you a little bit more, but I want you to just have a really nice relax now as I'm just moving all your muscles, because I'm going to actually change the way your brain waves work. I'm going to lower you into a dream state.
Right. I'll try not to snore then.
Reading your aura first of all has increased the electrical energy in my hands, so it's actually like having a non-surgical facelift treatment. And as I'm massaging, I can feel the tension in your jaw area, and that tension actually makes your intestine sort of not work as well.
Right.
So the relaxation is very, very important.
I think that's overuse of my jaw area.
No.
Talking too much.
No, it's actually just sort of having a busy life. I mean, you're a mom as well, aren't you?
Yeah. Yeah.
So how do you manage? I mean, you're doing lots of openings of things.
Yeah.
You're really in demand, aren't you?
It's been really mad actually since X Factor. I'm really, really enjoying it though, and my children are enjoying it actually. They, I try and take them everywhere that I go. Anything that I can take them to. So they're enjoying it as well.
This is a treatment toner, and it's orange flower salmon oil, and the orange flower makes the cells come up but moisturise, so the skin actually plumps out and looks younger. Now I'm going to apply Age Defiance. This was the first moisturiser I made.
Right.
And it's attracted a lot of attention. And this is really good. I mean, you don't have any spots or anything, but it plumps out tissues and it actually changes the hyaluronic acid in the skin. The hyaluronic acid is what makes us younger, and it plumps those out and actually makes the skin actually stop creating spots because of it.
I think I'm at a really funny age at the moment where I'm not particularly old, but you know, you have lost that kind of youthful, radiant look that you naturally have when you're sort of 18, you know. So.
Well, you look radiant to me.
Oh.
And I'm going to pop a bit of my famous bee venom over the top.
Okay.
So when your foundation goes on, it really floats on. And the bee venom works like the Botox, so it actually makes the skin have an anaesthetised effect on the muscles, but it actually tones it like going to the gym. When you're not actually massaging your skin often, you're not actually working your skin tissues. And one of the reasons, again going back to the Botox, that Botox is very detrimental to the skin.
Yeah.
Botox freezes the skin so it stops the blood supply. So after you stop using Botox,
yeah,
there's a crazed look to the skin where it's been devoid of blood supply to those tissues, so the tissues actually die.
The thing is, it hasn't really been tested enough, I don't think. You know, lengthwise, do we know what it's going to do to your face in 20 years?
They do know that 27 people have died as proven from Botox.
Yeah.
Who's the rest? I'm just going to pop some Silk Skin Tinted Moisturiser on your skin.
Okay.
Now this is actually a mineral, so you can actually, funnily enough, go to bed with it. It's the only makeup you can go to bed with on. How do you feel now? Did you enjoy that?
It's gorgeous. Feels great. I feel really relaxed, feel fabulous.